my channel. If y'all do not know me, my name is Chrissy. Hello and welcome. So in today's video, I'm super excited because this video is going to be different for me. It's kind of launching the different content that is going to be on my channel. As y'all know, I've been vlogging recently. I've been doing Vlogmas. Well, I've missed the past several days. Your girl had to get herself together. However, I'm back and I'm not even considering this to be Vlogmas. This is more so just like my new content and just like a vibe I wanted to give y'all. So today's vlog is going to be a solo date night vlog at the house. Like, I don't know about y'all, but recently, like, my life has just been changing. I think like with 2022 coming up and you know, everything is just different. It's changing. I'm 26 now and I've just been on this self-love journey, self-exploration journey, and I started recently watching Maya Galore. That's where I got this idea from, and she does these solo dates all the time and I love them. And I want to do mine too, and I want to document my journey with it. I think it's so important that we as women, men too, but you know, I think it's primarily women that watch my channel. I think it's so important that we date ourselves, even if we are in a relationship, even if we're dating, even if we're married, even, you know, if we're single. I think sometimes as women we tend to like fully immerse ourselves or adapt into a certain lifestyle, especially when we're with someone, or even when we're single, into that like single lifestyle where you're not really dating yourself and you're out and you're looking, or you're on apps, or you know, whatever the case may be. Or if you're married or in a relationship, you fully like immerse yourself into the relationship. And it's important for us to like take time out of the week, out of the day or whatever, and date yourself. Like, continue to date yourself. I don't know if you ever heard anyone say like, when you're married, it's still important to act like you're dating. Okay, well, within yourself, it's important to date yourself. So you show yourself love and you're showing yourself just care and self-care. Love, self-care, yeah. And just pretty much giving back to yourself and making sure that you're taking the time to spend a moment with yourself and reflect and just have good vibes, and there's no other energies, no one else you have to please. It's just you, and you're doing exactly what you want to do. And you know, however it is that you want to do it, babes, do you. And if y'all want me to go deeper into like solo dates and why I think you should solo date and my reasons for it, definitely give this video a thumbs up and I will do a video on it. I literally just hopped out the most relaxing shower. That's how I always like to start everything. I've sprayed my fragrance. I'll show you guys in a minute. I put on my comfy pajamas. They're so freaking cute. But tonight I'm gonna cook some really good pasta. I'm gonna have some wine, of course. We'll do some self-care, probably make some Christmas cookies, and I'm just gonna take you guys with me whole night. And you already know, of course, I'm gonna give y'all the vibe, some good music, not this light, making me look like I don't know, eyebrows, child. But let me show you guys my pajamas and my nighttime fragrance, because I know y'all gonna ask.
Alright, babe, so I had to switch to my phone. I don't know why, but my phone just gives the better lighting over in this area. But these are my pajamas. Okay, they are so soft and luxe, you guys. Honestly, they feel like the Skims pajamas, but these are from Amazon and they were way less. They were like $25. So I freaking love these. They fit really well. They're in this nice like cream color. I love all of this. It gives like hotel vibes and just luxe vibes, you know. I also got my slippers from Amazon, my little flirty house shoes. These just feel so freaking good. It's from like the Amazon Essentials line, so I'll make sure that I'll link the full set down below.
Okay, so I don't know about y'all, but when I'm doing like my solo house date, or I'm just doing a self-care day, honestly any night where I'm just lounging, I love to lounge in PJs or like a cute loungewear set, child. I don't even sleep in these. Like, these are strictly for lounging. But I want to show y'all what fragrance I'm wearing tonight. I'm wearing Miss Ebony Wood herself, you guys. I'm so obsessed with ebony wood right now. Like, I'm obsessed with it on another level. It's just like to me, ebony wood just smells like home. It's like a woodsy, like just homey, warm type of scent. Ever since Amina suggested it and Kyra, I was like, bet, gotta get it. Love mixing it. I love wearing it by itself. Having it on at home just gives me like a very like homey vibe. But tonight I am cooking pasta. I'm gonna treat myself with carbs, okay? Give me bread, give me pasta, give me cookies, give me wine, give me alcohol, give it all to me, and that's what I'm doing tonight. So tonight I'll be cooking a Cajun shrimp Alfredo pasta. And it's my very first time cooking Alfredo sauce from scratch. It's my first time cooking this type of pasta. If y'all don't know, like, I live by myself and I'm like learning to cook everything. You know, my mom is like the cook, but I'm like learning and she's teaching me as I go. So hopefully this comes out really well. I'm also gonna make some garlic bread. I'm gonna be sipping on some wine. So y'all get into this music I'm getting ready to play, get into the vibes, get your wine, honey. Yeah, just get into it because we finna eat good tonight.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think it's away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away. Really wanna, I just wanna.
All right, babes, so I just finished cooking. That was so much work, like to try to vlog and cook at the same time. Jeez, but look at my little pasta. Oh my god, I feel like it came out so well, like for it being my first. It's not my first time I cook pasta, obviously. It's my first time cooking this Cajun pasta. So y'all, let me pray real quick. Dear Lord, thank you for this food. I thank you for giving me a career that I love, that enabled me to purchase this food. Thank you for providing for me, for always watching over me and blessing me, dear Lord. And I pray that this food will be nourishment and strength to my bodies. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, yeah, so hold on, my dad is calling me. First bite, let's see how I did. But here's the thing, like, I feel like someone else needs to taste it because I might be biased, but let me see. I like the girl on TikTok. 10. Your girl is a certified chef. Like, call me Chef Boy or Chris. Period. It's so good. And the reason I know it's good is because it tastes very similar to Cajun pastas that I've had at restaurants. So
So freaking good. I didn't show y'all how I cook my garlic bread. I actually put it in the air fryer. It's so much better in the air fryer. I don't know what it is. It's so freaking good. But anyway, because I am on my solo day, typically, like during the week, I'll just eat dinner on the couch, watch TV. But I try to take this time to like actually sit at my table, have my dinner like a proper adult, okay? And usually I'm on TikTok, because I feel like usually I'm on TikTok instead of Instagram, because TikTok, you know, it's just like a good place for me. It just makes me laugh. So much good content. I'm just like reflecting, or you know, maybe I'm texting with friends or whatever. I try not to like FaceTime or be on the phone, because then I feel like it takes away from like that solo date type of energy if you're just on the phone, like, you know what I mean? But I try to just be with myself, and it's a thing that I really enjoy doing. I'm not gonna lie, like, yeah, I am dating someone, and I like him a lot. But we are long distance. He lives like 5 hours away from me, so you know, it is what it is. And I've been single for 3 freaking years, bro. I've been single for 3 years, and it's really important for me that I continue to do these things, even though I'm entering into another phase of, I guess, my love life or whatever, just another phase of life. I'm the type to, when I'm entering that phase, like, I become almost like relying on that person, and just all into that person, almost like forgetting me and like my work and what I need to do for me. So, you know, that's one of the reasons why I kind of, I don't want to say I like being in a long distance relationship, but it works because it allows me to focus on me and what I need to do, you know. But it's just important for me to still like take myself on dates and have dates, because we just never know what is going to happen. I don't want to speak anything negative into that situation, but you know, you just never know. Like, you never know. And I never want to lose myself in another relationship. I never want to feel like I'm just totally engrossed in this and I'm not okay being alone, because I have been in relationships, or have been in relationships that were toxic to me for far longer than I should have been, just because I was afraid of being alone. So this is big for me, and I enjoy it. I enjoy living by myself. I enjoy dating myself. I enjoy eating dinner with myself. Self-care, all of that. So cheers, y'all. Cheers to growth, okay? And if y'all haven't tried it, sis, this is your sign. Take this as your sign to try it. All right, y'all, so like I said, I'm done with my food, and after I eat, I typically like to have a little downtime, do a little self-care. So I think I'm gonna do a face mask, and I'm going to start this book that I've been meaning to start for like a year now. And now I have told myself, you gonna start this book, okay? Stop playing. I done bought this book, you gonna read it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this mask, honey, and then we gonna be a little scholar. We gonna read a little something, a little something.
Alright y'all, so I'm done with my mask. My skin is so nice and hydrated. If y'all haven't tried that Neutrogena Hydra Boost mask, it is so freaking good. Also, I'm done reading the first chapter of this book. You guys, this is the book that I'm reading. It's called More Than Enough, Elaine Welteroth. And I'm so inspired by her and her journey. She's someone that I definitely look up to, like in the fashion industry, that has made this whole career and building an empire for herself. And I bought this book a while ago. I just hadn't had like the self-control to like sit down and actually read it. I don't know about you guys, but when what is in my hair? When I graduated from college, it has just been hard for me to sit down and read things because I was like, I read so much in college, like I'm over it. And I'm really not much of an audiobook type of person either, so I just had to like find the time to sit down and read it, and this is the time. And the first chapter was really interesting. I suggest that you guys pick it up. And honestly, what attracted me to the book was one, her, Live for Her, and also the title, More Than Enough. And I just felt like, okay, this is probably a book that I'm gonna want to read, just like to read about her life and, you know, her being a Black woman and the world she's in, the industry she's in. So I'm definitely excited to read more. The first chapter was so short, so it really only took me less than 20 minutes to get through. So I think this would be an easy read and a good read. But now it's getting late and I'm tired, so I think I'm going to bake a couple of Christmas cookies, maybe have another glass of wine. Yeah, I think I'm going to make some Christmas cookies. I was thinking about making hot chocolate, but I'm like, girl, you're drinking wine, don't make hot chocolate. Like sugar on sugar, like we treating ourselves tonight, but dang. So I'm gonna bake these Christmas cookies, have some wine, and then turn on a movie on Netflix. I don't know what I want to watch yet, but I've been watching Selling Tampa on Netflix too. I don't know if y'all have seen that, but baby, I love seeing black women, okay? You're a black woman womaning doing her thing, getting that money, being professionals. I live for it. All right, babe, so I'm just gonna close off the video here. I did make the cookies. They're so cute. They're like these little sugar cookies with a little Christmas tree on it. Yeah, but y'all, honestly, I'm so tired. Like today I did so much organizing, cleaning, and decluttering because I try to just clean and declutter before the new year. So I'm really so tired. It is 12 a.m. I don't even have it in me to have another glass of wine. I just want to go to bed, edit this vlog, post it in the morning. So y'all, I hope that y'all loved this little at-home solo date and that y'all will try it yourselves. I'm telling y'all, it makes all the difference. Like now I get to go to bed relaxed, having done self-care, having eaten well, having had a glass of wine, you know, and just wake up tomorrow morning feeling refreshed and feeling like I did something to love of myself. You know, I think that's something that we all need and something that we should all practice, especially going into the new year. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also, I need to take this wig off. It is horrible. It's so horrible. I need to do my hair in the morning. Oh Lord, oh no, my lace lifted, child. But anyways, remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. That helps me so much. Also, turn your notification bells on. I'm forgetting everything, I'm so tired. Turn your notification bells on. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.